In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Notion. A table of contents is a handy auto-updating guide that mirrors the headings in your page and lets you jump straight to any section with a single click. It's perfect for long notes, documentation, or meeting summaries, and it stays in sync as your page grows. If you don't immediately see entries appear after adding it, that usually means your page doesn't have any headings yet. Once headings are present, the block will populate automatically. Let's start with the quickest way, using the / command. Click into your Notion page and make sure your cursor is on a new empty line. Type /table of exactly like that. You'll see a small drop-down appear with suggestions for blocks that match what you typed. From that drop-down, select Table of Contents. It scans your page's headings and lists them in order, with indentation that reflects heading levels. Each item is clickable, so you can jump to that section instantly. And as you add, remove, or rename headings, the list refreshes on its own. If you prefer using the block menu instead of typing, here is another simple approach. Hover your mouse over a new line and look to the left margin for the plus icon. Click that plus to open the full block library. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced Blocks section. In that section, select Table of Contents. Just like before, Notion places the block on your page and fills it with your headings. Both methods create the exact same result, so choose whichever workflow feels more natural to you. A few quick notes to keep things clear. The table of contents reflects the structure of your page, so clear headings help it shine. You can place the block near the top of the page for easy access or tuck it into a side column if you are using a multi-column layout. The links are live, so they're great for quick navigation, especially when you are sharing a page with teammates who need to find information fast. And because it's dynamic, you don't need to maintain it manually, it updates as your content changes. That's all there is to it. 2 easy ways to add a table of contents in Notion without any extra setup. Thanks for watching.